welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm finally back after a few days hiatus, and I got me a nice good meal right here today. Little surf and turf meal, nice good beef and shrimp fried rice. So we're gonna jump into this video and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get this done. Alrighty guys, so this isn't necessarily what I wanted today. I had something else planned, but the local seafood dock didn't have my specific type of crab that I wanted. So I just settled for this since I had it on hand already. Got me some onions, some eggs, and this is some leftover chuck roast that I had in the freezer. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that since it's been in there for about 2 weeks or so now. Then I got me some shrimp that's already peeled and deveined. And I had a few sausages in the freezer also. I'm gonna just throw all of that in. But those sausages are probably gonna get eaten. And I got me some leftover rice and some scallions. Alrighty guys, so I went on ahead and cooked my eggs first. I don't need to, didn't feel the need to really show me cooking my eggs. I just got those cooked off and set to the side. Now I got my shrimp nice and seasoned. Just gonna throw that and my sausage in here at the same time. Gonna take them about the same time to get nice and browned off. Alright, so once we have that shrimp and sausage browned off, I'm gonna just come in here and take this out. And guys, the sausage did not make it into the end of the video. I'm just gonna let you know. Get our sausages and shrimp out. We're gonna set those to the side also. Alright, so once we have that done, let's come in here and add our onions inside of here. We're gonna get our onions cooking down a little bit, get those nice and tender. Now you could add bell pepper inside of this if you would like, but I just felt like onions inside of it today. Alright, so you can see we got those browned off a little bit. Get nice and tender for us, and I cut them really thin so that it doesn't take them too long to get nice and tender. Once we have that looking like this, I'm going to come in here and add my beef to it now. We basically are just heating this beef up, letting it warm through, cook down just a little bit more. All of this is going to be nothing but flavor, guys, because that beef still has a little fat on it like I like. That fat is just going to render down. Alright, and after a little while, we're just going to go ahead and let this cook down here for a little while. Release some more of that nice good beefy flavor into this dish. Alright, and now what I'm doing is just taking out a few pieces for my presentation. So I'll get a couple more pieces out of here. Someone always calls my phone. I just need to start turning this phone off. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to come in here and add our rice to it. And we're going to just go ahead and give that a nice mix and let our rice get nice and heated also. So I'll get this all mixed together and then I will be back and we're going to finish this thing up. Okay guys, I am back and I'm just going to add the rest of this rice inside of here. It drives me crazy when somebody calls my phone and I don't answer. And they hang up and they call me immediately right back. Like, please give me a minute to call you back. It's not that serious. It's never that serious. But anyway, I went on ahead and decided to get the rest of that rice inside of here. Then we're just going to season this up now. Got a little black pepper. And we're going to add some onion powder in here. And we're going to do a little garlic powder. Alright, then I'm going to come in and add me some of this soy sauce inside of here. This is a low sodium soy sauce that I'm going to be adding inside of here. Alright, and then just to add a little bit more color in here, I'm going to add me a little bit of this kitchen bouquet. You guys do not have to add this. This is just optional. But I like for my fried rice to have a little brownness to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and give that a mix, guys. Just want to get all our seasonings mixed in and get that soy sauce and that kitchen bouquet mixed in. And that's just going to turn all of the grains of our rice from white to a nice good brown color. You don't have to add too many seasons to this because my beef was already seasoned and my shrimp was seasoned also. See, this is a nice beautiful color right here that I want my rice to be. You could leave yours a little bit lighter in color if you would like, but this is perfect for me right here. So I'm going to come in here and get my shrimp back inside of here. And I'm going to come and add my scrambled eggs in here. I know some people will go crazy because I put that egg in there and they don't believe that egg should go in the beef and shrimp fried rice, but hey, you do you. Go ahead and get that mixed in. Alright, then I'm going to come and add my green onions inside of here. You could add mixed vegetable, guys. I just didn't have any at the time. So I'm just going to add my green onions inside of here. Just going to give it a little bit of color. And that is basically it, guys. This rice is done. I mean, that took no time. All I'm going to do is just plate this thing up and take my thumbnails and my videos. Give this a nice taste test. It's a nice quick Friday evening dinner right here. Some nice surf and turf beef and shrimp fried rice using my leftover chuck roast. Alright guys, so I'll take my thumbnails and videos and I'm going to be back to give this a taste test for you guys. Alright guys, coming with a real quick taste test. Got my nice good surf and turf fried rice. Leftover beef chuck roast. Got some shrimp and a little egg, a little scallions, little onions. So we're not going to waste any time. I'm going to give this thing a try. A piece of that shrimp. See if we can get that piece of egg right there. Oops. You guys see that? Piece of beef, egg, shrimp. Give it a try. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. That beef was cooked real tender, seasoned perfect. And you add in that nice good shrimp. Shrimp still nice and tender. Scallions, onions. That's so good. Mm-hmm. A nice tender chuck roast. That's so good, guys. Got me making a mess. Alrighty, guys. So this is a quick little meal you guys can put together if you have any leftover beef in the freezer, any shrimp in the freezer. Doesn't take long to do this at all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And also please subscribe to the channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Just be a blessing to someone. Peace.